Same-sex marriage debate played out in historic arguments before the United States Supreme Court today. Should gay marriages have equal protection under the law? And whether states like Texas, where same-sex marriage is illegal, must recognize as legal those unions from other states. Important questions, and Sean Rabb has today's coverage.
Clarice, you know, nearly 50 years ago, back in 1967, there was another Supreme Court facing strong opposition that ruled interracial marriage would become the law of the land. Now what this high court will decide about same-sex marriage will not only become the law of the land, but will set social policy for America. Voices raised for and against same-sex marriage outside the Supreme Court, while inside, the 9 Supreme Court justices consider whether marriage in America will be redefined beyond a man and a woman.
This definition has been with us for millennia. And it's very difficult for the court to say, oh, well, we know better.
The questions the court must answer: does the 14th Amendment require states to issue same-sex marriage licenses?
That is saying that same-sex couples have the same right to marry as heterosexual couples, and it forces Texas to issue marriage licenses to same-sex couples whether we like it or not.
And secondly, are states required to recognize same-sex marriages from other states?
Under current law, we do not recognize it, so the question is the U.S. Supreme Court going to make Texas recognize?
The session was interrupted once by a protester from Texas, described as an anti-abortion activist with a history of interrupting events. Revis Miller Grogan yelled supporters of gay marriage will, quote, burn in hell. In the court, a Plano couple, attorney Mark Ferris and his partner Vic Holmes, a retired Air Force major. Ferris talked with me by phone.
In terms of being a plaintiff in one of the cases that's not before the court, but is clearly being affected by the court, it was doubly meaningful.
And so sure how the judges will vote, Ferris has already planned his wedding.
Former Congressman Henry B. Gonzalez will marry us, and we are planning a November wedding.
Right now, 36 states and the District of Columbia currently allow same-sex marriage. The Supreme Court ruling expected to come near the end of June. Clarice?
All right, Sean, thank you.
All right.